Hello, everyone. Today I have a call with a gentleman from Vietnam. He used to be a resident and taxpayer of the United States. However, he returned to Vietnam and has questions about how he can continue operating his company. So I think it's a good call, and we go over some of his concerns.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Theo. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Doing great. Thanks for scheduling a call. I saw you had some good questions, and I think I have some good answers for you.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much.
So you're in Vietnam, right?
Yes, I'm in Vietnam right now.
Awesome. So do you want me to summarize what I understand, or would you rather tell me the whole story?
Yeah, just let's start with what you understand.
So you said that you are non-resident and you used to live in the U.S., that's fine, and you left the U.S. in November of 2019, and you filed your 1040 Schedule C, and now you're trading stock and operating with the LLC, but you're a non-resident. So your broker sent you a 1099 at the end of the year. How should you report this income for 2020? So did you officially, so with your 2019 return, did you put a residency end statement on your tax return?
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
When you filed your 2019 tax return, did you include a residency termination statement telling the IRS that you were terminating residency?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So you probably should have. I don't think it's not going to ruin everything, but now that you've terminated residency, you should give your broker a W-8 BEN and tell them that you're not a resident anymore, and they'll stop giving you 1099s. But for now, you probably have to file a 1040 NR and tell the IRS that you basically had no income. So like file a 1040 NR for 2020.
Okay, so I still have to file the 1040 NR for 2020?
Only because you got tax forms from the IRS, I would probably file just to tell the IRS that you don't have to pay taxes on that income because you're a non-resident.
Okay. So
otherwise, if you do nothing and you don't file, then the IRS will eventually send you a CP 2000 and say you never filed a tax return, you owe this money, and then you should just file to tell the IRS that you're not a resident.
okay. So, but because I'm no longer a resident, even if I file the 1040 NR, I don't have to pay any tax, right?
Correct.
I just tell them that.
You're just filing to tell them you're non-resident, and then that means your capital gains wouldn't be subject to tax. If you had dividend income in 2020, then you would have to pay taxes on that. Technically, yes.
Okay. So yeah, I can pay tax on dividends. Okay. So one question. Can the tax software like TurboTax and all the tax software can do that? Can they do that?
Probably not. File a non-resident return.
Okay. Not do that. Okay. So for 2020, do I have to file the 5472?
Yes.
Okay, have to 5472. Yeah, because I have an Amazon business. So they're going to send the 1099 as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I should do. Great. So that's what I want to do is I want to actually create a different LLC, like one is Wyoming, like separate from my own identity to like mostly to get away from the old identities and start fresh.
I don't think it's necessary. I think the LLC you have would be fine.
Okay, so I can just use the LLC I have and update with the IRS as I'm no longer resident.
Yeah, it's all about you. If you tell the IRS you're not a resident and you in fact don't live in the United States, then the facts and circumstances support your position, and you pay taxes like any other non-resident.
Okay. 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 Yeah, but because I actually already create an LLC on Wyoming, so I'm not sure if there is any difference between just LLC and my OLLC at the Massachusetts. But because I'm already created, so I just have a few questions about the SS4.
Okay.
So on the SS4 on field number 10 on one of the video on one of your YouTube video, you said that if I should put other and put the for W8 band purpose. Should I do that if I want to get an EIN for a new company to do Amazon, or should like for that field number on number 10, I just to start a new business on this form?
Yeah.
Okay, because like on the suggestion you said that I should choose other and right for W8 band purpose.
W8 bend, the W8 bend purpose?
Purpose. Yeah, for W8 purpose. Like that's what I should write in there, so the IRS can categorize me as foreign identity.
I'm not sure. You're asking about a W8 BEN form?
No, I'm not. I'm asking about the SS4 form and on number 10 field.
Oh, it's because you started a new business.
What is the purpose? Yes.
Yeah, you started a new business.
So
right?
if okay, so I just put a start a business. So any other form like after this point, any other tax I have to file besides the 5472?
I don't know. Not if you're non-resident. It's the form 1120 with a pro forma 1120 with the 5472 attached.
Okay. Can you repeat this form? Like the
Well, you have to. There's a lot to it. You have to prepare a form 1120 and then attach the form 572 to the end of the 1120. It's a pro forma form 1120 though, so you only need to include like basic information. I have a course that you that's available if you're interested in learning how to prepare the form completely yourself.
Okay, I got that. I have one more question because I know that I read up on the 5472 a lot for non-resident, and
Yeah.
it seemed like to be a gray area, which basically like how you express letter of the law. So, and some people suggest that I can just make my, pardon me?
What's a gray area? What's gray about it?
Okay, so that is how I think it's because the law is not really clear about it. So it depends on how you express the letter of the law.
Well, whether or not you have to complete form 5472 or not?
I know whether or not like a lot of people say that even if we have a company in the US, if we have a company an LLC in the US, we have to pay tax even if we are non-resident.
Who
Like,
says that?
a lot of CPA tell me that, like when I asking around, a lot of CPA tell me, oh, you are non-resident.
They're domestic-based CPAs. They probably haven't done any research. I mean, I think it's pretty clear that the IRS only taxes you on effectively connected income. Why would the IRS, if you didn't have an LLC, why would the IRS be able to tax everyone in the world? It's ridiculous. The IRS can't tax people who are living and working in their own countries. The LLC,
that's what I.
The LLC is just a legal entity. It doesn't mean you're doing business in the United States.
Okay. Yes, but okay. So some people suggest that I just make I just pay myself a management fee and either 1040 NR. Do you think that's a good idea to do that? Like instead of file the.
You should file the 5472 and a 1040 NR.
Oh, so I have to file both of them?
This year you do. Yeah.
Okay, this year. Okay, and in the future, then I just file the 5472. So one question for you, like how much it cost for your service to file the 5472?
For our clients, like I said, we have a course that you can buy that's like $300 or so, and that's going to be up on the new website. And then we also have we do the service ourselves, and we do it for I think it was $1,250.
Okay. And one as on the website or somewhere you mentioned that if I buy the course, you going to look over my filing, right?
If you do the course, yeah, we'll look it over for you before you send it.
Okay. I think actually that's answer all of my question for now. Thank you so much.
Thank you for scheduling the call. Sorry I was late. Best of luck with all of this, and I hope you make a ton of
No, it's
money
okay.
on Amazon. Okay,
All right. Thank you so much.
bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, so that call went really well. Theo had a lot of good questions, and I think he's on track to report everything correctly. Remember, it's important to update your brokerage when you leave and you become a non-resident. Also, to tell the IRS when you break your residency, so they don't assume you're going to be paying taxes next year, and they get mad when you don't. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be notified when we have new videos coming out. And I will see you guys on the next video. If you want to call, schedule in the description. Forgot to say that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.